What's up, YouTube? This is the Internet Income Ninja coming to you live. I was about to say I was about to continue to say live, but I realized that this may not be live wherever you are. Now, on this channel we talk about making money online, and this video is no different. We are going to be talking about affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is simply teaming up with a company. You agree to promote their products, and when someone purchases that product, they give you a percentage of the sale price. So if you teamed up with let's say a company that makes fitness supplements or supplements, right? Health supplements, whatever, supplements. Let's say the bottle of supplements, a 90-day bottle, costs $100. If you and the person or company, and typically they are the ones who dictate the percentage, but if you and the person or the entity come together and they say you get 40% of the sale price, when you promote that product and you make a sale, you get $40, because that is 40%. That would be 40% of the $100 that the person paid for the product. So the company or the entity gets 60, you keep 40% of the earnings, and that's it. The great thing about it is that once that person purchases the product, you, the affiliate, you don't need to worry about customer service, about shipping the product out, about following up with the person, about seeing how the product is working for them. You don't need to do any of that. The company handles all of that. You just promote, encourage people to purchase, and when they purchase, you get a commission. Now, one such place that you can visit to find products like this is a website called JVZoo. Now, you might see JV and think, oh, junior varsity, kind of like the sports team. No, this isn't about high school or college or anything like that. Okay, JV simply means joint venture, and that is the type of agreement or association you have with the entity that you are partnering with. So it's called the JVZoo, joint venture zoo, and I'm guessing it's just so many things to see, so many things to promote, so many things to do. Okay, so a bit about JVZoo. Again, JVZoo is an online platform that is designed for affiliate marketers like myself to find products to promote, and in finding these products I will get a commission whenever someone purchases through my affiliate link. Now, this is a brand spanking new account. I have not done any promotions or anything on it, so this is brand new. But you can see that based on specific sellers that you promote, you can see what the dashboard looks like based on how many people visit, how many sales you've made, how much gross revenue, and how much profit. So again, let's use the example of the $100 supplement sale. The gross revenue would have been $100. The profit would have been the 40% you would have gained, which would be $40. Okay, so I hope that's clear so far. If it's not, let me know in the comment section what part isn't, and how, and I'll do my best to explain further. Okay, based on seller, again, you can see yesterday's visits, yesterday's sales, yesterday's gross revenue, and yesterday's gross profit, and you can actually go deeper if you wish. You can check stats, detailed stats here, or quick stats. So this is based on seller. This portion here is where you will see things based on yourself, the affiliate. Okay, let me just see if I can zoom in a little bit. Great, I hope you're seeing that a little bit better. Okay, now you can also view things as yourself, the affiliate. You can see how many visitors you've made overall, just because you could be promoting 4, 5, 6 products at a time. So based on your side of things, not the seller side, you could be seeing how many visitors, how many sales, how much gross volume, and how much earning based on what you're promoting. Okay, and you can see that for today and for yesterday. All right. You can also look at your sales by country. You can see which regions, based on what products they're selling, you can see which regions are actually gravitating to that product more. And that way, if you're running paid ads, for example, okay, you can see which regions are actually welcoming of that particular product. So for example, let's say you're running Facebook ads and you set your Facebook ad to run in the USA and Canada. Okay, so we're running ads in the USA and Canada, which would be all of this portion right here. All right, if you realize that the USA is purchasing more than Canada, you can adjust your ads, your advertisements, to reduce ads in Canada and increase in the USA. Or if you want your ads to remain the same in Canada, you can increase it in the USA. Easy peasy. And thus you can increase the likelihood of purchases being made, because the stats would have shown that more purchases are happening in the USA. Maybe the US has something that's happening where more people are wanting to take supplements, for example. Okay, so let's say there's a flu thing happening around the world, and more people want to protect themselves. They want to boost their immune system. And let's say Canada does not have that problem. You'll find more people purchasing in the USA, and not as much in Canada, quite a few, but more will be happening in the USA. You can completely eliminate Canada's ads if you wanted to, and focus on the USA since more people are purchasing. Okay, this is about making money. It's not about feel good stuff. So if you want to go where, follow the money is what I'm saying. Okay, follow the money. Right now, JVZoo is an online platform again, which pretty much, it does have a slew of options to choose from regarding products. However, they tend to focus on digital products. Okay, and what I mean by digital products is simply stuff that are apps, software, and stuff like that. Okay, so they tend to look more at stuff that will help you with, I don't want to say tech stuff, but mostly softwares, PDFs, and stuff like that. Right? So if you are someone who has a large following and you want to monetize that following, then you can actually, and especially if you're in the software tech space, you can definitely monetize that by finding affiliate products that you can promote. Okay, that you can promote on your social media accounts. Maybe you have a Twitch or something like that. Maybe you're a gamer. Maybe you have regular live sessions on whatever platform you will. And you can actually find products that you can get for free that you can promote on these platforms and make a commission. All right, now let me show you what the marketplace looks like real quickly. So we go to our menu, we go to products, or you could search by sellers if you'd like. Okay, so let's go to products, and you can look at the marketplace on a whole. Featured products, top sellers. I'm not going to look at the launch list just yet, but the launch list shows you some of the products that are coming out soon. Okay, it will tell you all the products that are coming out, what they do. That way you can, if you have a following, like if you have an email list, you can warm up your audience. Hey, there's an amazing product. It will help you increase your TikTok following by 100 followers each day. It does it by creating this engaging hook that people can't resist, and they'll want to come back to watch more, so they'll start following it. Something like that, you know. And so what you can do is focus on that, and you can use that list to preempt what comes out soon, what comes out when, and begin to send emails to your email list, for example. Okay, you can look at the marketplace. Let me show you the marketplace real quickly. The marketplace, as the name suggests, has a bunch of products, and like I've said, JVZoo is predominantly a, let me say, a software based entity that you can find products to promote. And here's some perfect examples. Uncle Neon, turn any ordinary video into viral glowing neon scribble animation video. So have you ever seen videos where somebody's running and then they step on a blob and the blob starts glowing and the blob runs up the leg and surrounds their body? This software is what did it. They've sold 141 so far for only $47. Here's another. Video Leads Machine. Leverage the power of video with these proven instant authority strategies. Okay, 956 sold at $47. Okay, eLearn Empire. Create and sell amazing video courses in minutes without speaking or getting on camera. 432 copies sold at $27 per thingy. $27 for this subscription, or for the actual program. And if you keep scrolling, you will see Clips Reel. Turn any URL or web page into stunning animated videos automatically within minutes. 1,753 sold. Okay, sold by Abhi Dwivedi, and I guess his company is called Vinaya SX. Okay, and if you keep scrolling again and again and again, you will see product after product after product. 4,000 sold, $67 per copy. 86 sold by Dr. Amit Parikh. Alright, so you can see more products, or we could come back here, look at our products. We could see our top sellers, because these are the ones that have been working really well so far. Okay, and you might see a top sellers list, and you might see that they've been selling quite a bit for the last few days. Now you might think that based on all these sales that there's a lot of competition. Yes, but the good news is, with competition, it means that there's a lot of people looking for it. Now if you can find hot buyers, they're ready to buy. It's not someone that's never heard of it before. It's not someone who has, you know, they're just walking by and you kind of surprise them with this thing. No, these are people who are looking for the product. So if you can actually put this product in front of people, okay, and allow them to purchase this product, then you will get a commission easier, because they are ready to buy. It's not like you have to convince anybody. They've heard of it. They've probably been watching a couple YouTube videos. Maybe they've seen the name and they went on the website and they decided that they want to just buy. When they come across your thing, they just buy. And so looking at the top sellers, you can definitely see what's selling and actually promote that product. So again, that thing we looked on before, Uncle Neon Bundle, the one that could turn your thing into a glowing neon thing, drawing, diagram, animation, that was the top seller for today. Next was Shoply, Avatar Builder Commercial, Profile Mate, Cloud Funnels 2, Elite One Time, Done For You Suite, Key Search Starter, SE Nuke, TNG, Explain DO, a Point-O-Matic Bundle. Those were the top sellers. And if you look, you would have seen for yesterday, a lot of those that were mentioned were still in the top 10. And for the past 7 days, you know, things change a bit. But Uncle Neon was on there at number 5, and then it moved up. Actually, it wasn't necessarily on the list yesterday, but it shot back up to number 1 for today. So that's something you could look at. If you have a following, like you're in a community of visual effects people, you know, or influencers who are they're always looking for the next big thing, the next thing that will take their social media thing to the next level. They're always looking for stuff like that. If you can dangle this product in front of people, whether on your Instagram or on your TikTok or Facebook or whatever, people will buy. You get your commission, and the best part, if you use social media, you would have done it for free. However, you can also use paid ads, because not everybody wants to jump in front of a camera and show their face. Some people want to just create an advertisement, put the link in there, people see it, they buy it, they never see you. And that's one of the best things about affiliate marketing. You never have to show your face unless you want to. So that's something you can consider. Let me know what you think. Ask me any questions. I would probably go more in depth with JVZoo in future, and you can expect to see me talk in depth about specific products in the future. So if you're not interested in being an affiliate with JVZoo or an affiliate overall, maybe you're interested in some other products. If you are, check them out. A lot of these products do have trial periods. A lot of them do have return policies and so forth. So, you know, it's a win-win. But if you do appreciate what I'm sharing, just go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe, smash the notification bell. That way more people get to learn about these tools. Everybody's trying to make the best life that they can. And for many, that involves making more money for themselves and their families. So if you can help someone learn about these tools to improve their businesses and so forth, drop a like, hit the subscribe, share, and smash the notification bell so that whenever hot videos get out, you know the shway. Okay, you'll be in the loop, whether it be JVZoo or any other affiliate network. You will be in the loop, and maybe one day you decide to join. And if you have no idea still about what affiliate marketing is, there is a link in the description. It is the absolute first link in the description that will take you to a landing page where you will see some general information on how you can live the laptop lifestyle. After that, it will ask you for your name and email address. This is just so we can keep in touch. If there's anything juicy or any special or any amazing thing I've learned, you will see an email about it. I do not sell your information. I do not do anything like that. The only thing I sell is products to make a commission. And if you'd like to support, there are links in the description which are affiliate commissions, and I do get a kickback from it. So yeah, go ahead, check the products out, let me know what you think. If you like it, great. If you don't like it, great. So yeah, once you enter your email address, you'll have access to a free video. And because your email is in my email list, I will be sending you free videos about different things. Maybe this first thing isn't for you, maybe the second one is, maybe the third, maybe a year down the road the 100th thing is the one for you and you decide to jump in. Whatever the case, that's what it's for. So check that out, let me know what you think. Definitely check out JVZoo. It is free to sign up. Okay, absolutely free. You can, there's no inactivity fee, so even if you create the account, and I don't want to say that because many people will try it, sign up and just leave it. I want people to try it and actually put effort into it and make money. Okay, so this is a new account, like I said, but as the days, weeks and months go by, I will be giving you updates on this, and I'll definitely let you know how things work. Thank you so much for watching the Internet Income Ninja. Thank you so much for your interest in making money online, because that's what we talk about. Like, share, subscribe, notification bell. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.